This is a final exhibition, very end of our EGPR project 2013, which we started in February with Condor Projects, a company from Hull, who specialize in civil engineering but are very interested in aviation, and especially in aviation for disabled people. And that is what the project is about: design of the fuselage for a two-seater plane to be flown by disabled people.
Good afternoon. My name is Gautam Lewis, and I founded and run a flying school called Freedom in the Air, based at Cranfield Airport here in Great Britain. What I've been involved with over many years is about making other people's dreams real. And aviation has a brilliant way of expanding one's boundaries. So with Modifly and this collaboration with this group of universities is about allowing those with disabilities to feel that they can also reach for the skies and effectively let their talent fly.
Hi, my name is Martin Wiseman of Condor Projects. We're a specialist drilling contractor from Yorkshire, and what we've managed to achieve in 4 months is building a full-size mock-up from preliminary designs through to a working example to test the validity of what we can do. And very pleased to say this project's been quite successful.
Hello everyone, my name is Petra Močibov and I'm the student from Zagreb University. I was the part of the team who was dealing with the support structure, so to say the frame. And I have to say that in this project, since all the teams worked on different parts of the same project, the main problem was actually the communication.
My name is Kevin Courbet. I'm French. I actually study in Budapest at the University of Economics and Technology of Budapest. Quite proud of what we've achieved in the sense that we had a very, a good method of design, and we succeeded in following that method. And perhaps you will see on the posters that the design, how it evolved over the course of the project, and sometimes it evolved in the wrong way and you had to go back. But also there were a lot of time constraints during the workshop, because you have to think it's not only a design informatics, you also have to think that you're going to have to make it, and this is also a lot of constraints and stuff. I think the best part of this whole EGPR project, that it's a real thing. Well, you know, to some extent, it's not just academics, it's not just for a grade. You have to think about real things, and that is why I liked it. Yeah.
I've been involved in like 4 major projects, and this is one project where we actually go our hands on the job. We actually worked like in a real company, like in a real industry. It was amazing. It was actually good. Yeah, I recommend it to all the students. EGPR was fine.